Hello everyone, Brian from BGE Home here, and today we will go over what to do when your AC is running constantly. Check to make sure your thermostat isn't located near heat generating devices, like a TV or a lamp. These devices generate heat, which can cause your thermostat to detect a higher temperature than the actual temperature in your room. This will cause your system to run for longer than it needs to. Check to make sure airflow to your system isn't reduced. This includes checking all the vents are open and not blocked by any furniture or curtains. Check that the unit has at least 2 feet around it so that it's able to draw in air. Check that the filter is clean and replace it if needed. This allows the system to breathe. After checking the above and your system is still running continuously, it may be a sign your system is low on refrigerant. In that case, a licensed professional will need to come out and check the level of refrigerant and replace it if needed. Give us a call and we can come out and check your system's refrigerant level and the overall health of your system. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please comment below or call BGE Home directly.